It's gonna go on the other track, eh? No. Holy shit, a Via train. Wow, rare. What a nice surprise. What a blown compressor it sounds like on that Genesis locomotive. Oh, dual power. I had a feeling there was a Via train coming because I saw like 2, 3, 4 cars parked there, people waiting. You know? Kind of feels like old times for me to be filming on this platform here on the CP side. I used to come here all the time, and I don't know, I just stopped coming here because I didn't like the lighting, because there wasn't as many trains on this side, you know, the commuter, especially the CP trains.